Hello, thank you for joining me today. I'm just going to do a little ring pour. So just going to, my base, it's just table scraps that I've just picked up off the table after a paint. So we're going to do a small ring pour. So I'm just going to layer some paint in here. So I might do a little bit of my black base. Going to do a bit of the Amsterdam Persian rose, bit of the blue, bit of the Amsterdam Permanent red. I'm going to do some titanium white, some Naples yellow, some permanent blue violet, if I can open it. Little bit of gold. Okay, bit of the Prussian blue, which I forgot to open. Maybe a bit of pearl blue, bit more of the brilliant blue, and I think that should do it. Okay, and I'm just going to lay it on the canvas. Okay, give that a little bit of a torch. Might put some more of this base around so it can spread. Okay, right, now we're just going to tilt. Look at those pretty colours. Isn't that beautiful? So just going to tilt to one side, bring it back, tilt to the other side, and bring it back. And we're just going to keep tilting this. Whoopsie. Get right to the edge over there, I think. And there it goes. Bring it back again. Tilt some of that off. And bring it back. And might do that edge over here. Might get to this side. It's very slow. Come on, you can do it. Right to the edge. And we'll bring that back again. Okay. Don't think it really wants to go to that other edge. So might have to put more paint on there to coach it along a bit. Come on, you can do it. And bring it back. So this is only a thin board. And I might try and center that blue again. Okay. Help this along. Okay, I will bring you down to have a look.